How to make a work profile using EMM, register and log in to the Novaemm dashboard. On the Novaemm dashboard, click on Getting Started and select Configure as Android. To create a profile, enter your profile name, search for the application from the Play Store, click on the plus icon to add it, and click on the Next button. Select the type of kiosk you want. You can select Single App Kiosk to lock down one app, multi-apps, or browser. To create a QR code, enter the QR code name. If you have Wi-Fi and want to connect to Wi-Fi remotely, you can add the SSID name, security type, and Wi-Fi password. Then click on the Show QR Code button. The QR code will be created and you can enable the Show BYOD QR Code button. Open your device camera and scan the generated QR code from the EMM dashboard. The work profile will be created on your device and you will see the work profile screen that has all the work apps approved from the EMM dashboard. The work apps will have a briefcase icon. You can manage your work profile from the EMM dashboard. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.